You're not.
Fanny! Come here, Fanny!
Come here, Fanny.
Fanny!
Do the N.
Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Come here, Fanny. Come here, boy.
Do the 70s.
Cut the game on, Gina.
Huh?
Cut the game on 13.
What is looking for the smoke? Bring it, please.
Fanny!
Now he put that food on the floor.
Making the home Where?
I said you put.
You know not to make a mess too. Look at it. Eating all the crumbs up. That's my pet poodle. Pink fingernail polish. Two nail polish. Diamond collar. Red collar. Leash. Black on the outside, white on the inside. It's eating, puppy child. Which was it usually eats. Come here, Evil. Okay, then. Cut. Cut.
You look down.
He's out pink, pink, and there's a red collar, a red leash hooked to his neck, and it's eating puppy child, drinking water with the shark teeth. It's in a flutter. It's so cute. Isn't it great to be a baby? It's a baby poodle. It's a little puppy poodle. It's in the den of the house. This is at home and it's very happy. And it's playful. It's a playful toy. It's a playful toy. It's a playful toy. And his name is Fanny. But his real name is Fantasia, but we call him Fanny. Come here, Fanny. Come here. Eat your food. Oh. Trying to find a piece he dropped. You know, not to drop no food in the cage. Let's tell the good stuff about Fanny. She's all star. She's all good. Star. 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 Starry.